Hey guys, what's going on? I got a couple more videos for you coming up here. This one goes out to generous donation of Jeremy, Cody, not Mark, Will, and Jeremy. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. So I'm going to be singing Every Time We Touch by Cascada, and I honestly cannot stand this song, and that's why they picked it, because they're not very nice to me. Also, this is the third time I'm recording this. Because the first time it didn't save and the second time it didn't work, so this song is just not happy. It's not making me happy right now. But you gotta do what you gotta do for this gumball challenge. You just gotta do it. You gotta sacrifice life and limb and embarrass yourself publicly on YouTube. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still hear your touch in my dreams. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the stars. Can't you feel my heartbeat slow? I can't let you go. Want you in my life. Also, this song is the worst if you're trying to sing it, especially because I'm awful at singing. Cats. Also, lots of instrumentals in this song. Arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you feel my heartbeat slow? I can't let you go. Want you in my life. Every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Shakira, Shakira, never really knew that she could dance. Okay, I don't really know why Hips Don't Lie just came on. But, alright, there you go, guys. And if this one doesn't work, I'm gonna be angry. Thanks for donating. Everyone else, keep the donations coming. Visit the website. It's in the description and such. Alright. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed.